If you fuel your dream and your life off of other people's opinions, you will eventually run out of gas. What's going on, guys? We're back with a new motivational video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't miss a motivational video. But for right now, let's get into it. You will run out of gas if you fuel your dream and your life off of other people's opinions. Now, majority of the time when we get a dream, we look for the closest person to us and we want to tell them that dream in hopes that they will be excited as we are. But chances are they're not going to be. And the reason for that is they were not given that dream. They were not given those goals. So you can't expect for them to be as excited as you are. Trust me, if you live for their acceptance, you will die from their rejection. Therefore, you have to make it up in your mind that this is what you want to pursue, whether or not you have a support system, whether or not the people around you see your dream. A lot of the times, it will only be you who sees the vision. Therefore, it is up to you to make sure you carry it out. And at some point in time, they will follow. But at the beginning, don't expect help. Too many of us look for validation of our dreams in other people. But what you have to understand is they were never given that dream. So that's you that has to make it come to fruition. If you want to go back to college and get that degree, go get that degree. If you want to start your dream job, you want to pursue that business, go do it. When that dream has been given to you, it is now up to you to fuel your own dream. It will feel like you are the only one that sees the vision clear. At that point, it is up to you to fuel your own dream. It's on you if it's successful or not the other people around you, not the ones that say yes you can do it, and not the ones that say that you can't. This dream falls on you. It was given to you, therefore it is up to you to make sure that it happens. Remember, if you fuel your dream off of other people's opinions, you will eventually run out of gas. Till next time, guys.